This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. And now let's check out this episode.
This is our Natalie, mad, Japan, Rofi, Satman, all over. But when you say me, you know me, you can't watch. This one had the Indian and fix it so you get the cowboy one. And this one, all Jamaican and this one, it had the Japanese one. After you tell me, son, you what? That's it.
Roughest Hat, man, how did you even come up with something like that? Because I remember to this day, every time you see in a video and you perform that song, it's like you have to perform it like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, that's all that goes. And the thing with the art, no curious generation come even up to today, it's just amazing. You know, because when you do things that's unique, people want to know, how him do that, you know? How him do that. So, how I come by the art now is free zone me there.
Yeah.
Because my father, as I say, go back, my father is a contractor, carpenter. So we are free zone and we brother them. And we had do some carpenter work. Them time they are romantic still.
Yeah.
See? So we watch the sun run on the road. You know the sun run come on the road so and get hot. Like a cool shade, it just run and you see it just get bright. So we had do some curve walk. And then I see a brother there. And the brother have on the hat.
Okay.
And the man just goes so, boom, and draw down the hat, and then him draw down the hat, just come down so. I just cover him and shave the sun.
Yeah.
So I said, what? That look amazing, brother. So I step up to him and I say, yo, I see that hat there now? And I said, no. And I said, no, I just want to see it because, you know, it just do something so because it just depend on him head now one.
Yeah.
And look small. And then when he move me told it just come big. And I said, what? So him say, all right, him put it on my hand. And I just run off with it. I said, I have used it, you know, Japanese strat. You know, we need it, you know. Yeah. We need it, man. So if I run off with it, you never get it back, you know.
Yeah.
And that was the history with it, you know. It's like everywhere the art go, earthquake, brother.
And how did you build the lyrics? Because, okay, now you have this hat. What were you thinking? Say, okay, what am I going to do with this hat here right now?
Well, it's just the brain, you know, because I'm a man who always I think, even up to now, always I think the brain flexible.
Yeah.
So when we get there now, the first thing is the name Japanese just match back with that to me. It's like, boom, it just register.
Yeah.
So me I say, okay. We back in the yard now. And I said, but brother, them did not try to give me some name. And then my name Cowboy or sort of thing. So we just use the hat now and I say, we're going to use the hat. And we say this are the Indian. Because when you advertise straight up, so the Indian them with them hat with the feather and thing, you know. So me I said this are for the Indian and down so the Cowboy and Mexican and you know, Jamaican, American and you know, we just start put it together, you know, see? Yeah, so when we go romantic, at the first place, we go shell it.
Okay, that was the first time that they seen this hat trick.
Yeah, man. So when we go romantic now, the whole place shell down now. So when we move towards Metro, we move with it, you know?
Yeah. The night on Sunsplash, was that the first night you actually got on a big show with the hat?
Yes, man. That's
walk us through it. Take our time and walk us through that Sunsplash, because Sunsplash is a big, humongous stage.
Well, you see, the blood that boil backstage there. The nervous is high. See? But the anxiety and the urge is there. More. Because we know say, yo, you see that crowd here? If we bust that crowd here, we gone through the gate, man. So we are look for Europe plane, we are look for America, we are look for everywhere. So we are say, yo, we can't go out there and go flap, you know. Moreover, we can't go out there and go let down Peter, you know. Because Peter a shelly thing, you know, so we can't go out there and let down Peter. So when I go out there, the people them there was a wait for it, you know. So from them see it and you know, people from way down the next tail and who can barely make it out, it I go crazy. So we just do the thing short and spicy and nice. Do it around 3 times. And you know, it's a thing you can't do 1 time. Do it around 3 times and just come off. And when we come off on the backstage now, you know, people start to come around, take names and stuff like that. You know, never have no phone though. So we give people over contact with, you know, say, yo, you can't come up here, you know, man. Just ask the Japanese, man, you're good, man, but not trouble, man. You know, see, because we did there, we big and fleshy them and we did there, you know, thing govern, you know, see. So I say, come in, man. Tell a lot of people that, and then, you know, we did it. Then now, pick out.
yes.
Yeah, pick out some boy, you know, see if you come buy a statue there. I mean, I say, all right, you have to buy it. But actually, the rhythm Ninja Man have one big tune on it too. We ain't the one down, the whole of them. But the rhythm, Shadow Man is the one who the rhythm lay for.
It was really Shadow Man?
Shadow Man.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Shadow Man, the rhythm lay for. So when Tinga and Ninja them come to cover me and all these things, Shadow Man, the rhythm really lay for. So Ninja get the break on it, you know?
Yeah. Because the big songs were, the biggest one was the Cover Me with Ninja and Tinga. The Wayne Wonder and Freddie.
Yeah.
Over Now.
I mean, carry one of gas through there and Freddie, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I mean, carry them gas through them, man. I introduced to pick out, you know, see?
Where did you guys record that song?
Dynamics. Yeah. I mean, carry them, see pick up, man, and pick out, say, yeah. And then when the voice say, Wanda and Freddie, and it was a joke, you know? But them bad. You know, big up in the one where they said speed, I don't know, respect, you know, manners, you know?
And you guys, everybody recorded their songs the same day, or this was over a period of time?
Over a period of time. Everybody did them thing different. We did it when Ninja voice took we put in a local 2 cents in the lyrics same way.
Okay.
Yeah, see, because I saw the business usually going on. You know, no man now try show off on the man, and no man now say, boy, I'm put in that and like a my song, that and, you know what I mean? I say, you know, really, me especially, I not deal with them level there. You know, see, my story is about the glory part of the music, the niceness part of the music, the sufferation where I come from and where the music take us now, you know?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.